In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Shopify Tinker app on iOS. Let's get started. First, make sure you have already downloaded this app from the App Store. Now click on Sign In. Use Apple, Google, or email to log in. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Here you will find a variety of AI tools for creating images, videos, logos, product photos, and marketing content. Simply browse the available tools and tap Use on the one you would like to try. For this guide, I'm going to use logo creation. Now enter a detailed description of the logo you want. Tinker uses AI to generate content based on your instructions, so the more specific your prompt is, the better the results will be. Once you have entered your prompt, tap the Generate button and wait a few seconds while Tinker creates your logo. The app may generate multiple variations, so you can choose the one you would like the best. After your logo is generated, you can view it in the Artifacts section. From there, you can edit, refine, duplicate, save, or share your design. Clicking on this option, you are able to edit your prompt. Likewise, click on three dots, you are able to share and download this logo. So that's it. This is how you can easily use Tinker by Shopify app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.